Mizoram Rural Bank MRB hi India Sarkarin September ni somni le pasari sangkhasakwa somria le pathum kuma Regional Rural Bank Act sangkhasakwa somsari le paruk mga din ani Mizoram District kina branch nein RD Block zongzong huamvekin bank oblo na khwa tam taka bank ayo na thokturin business correspondent amo bank sakhi bank mitrate ada bok ani Mizoram Rural Bank ka hian poisa da theidan scheme shanga oma chungte chu savings bank account nei lotan officially valid documents OVD kanti heng passport voter ID NREG card PAN card driving license emo Aadhaar card mangin ahon theirenge basic savings basic deposit account SB account, savings bank account hong tura, poisa ine may lo po in, poisa da kher ngai lovin account hi hon theireng ani thau mai, basic savings, basic deposit account, nwaya hian, sarkar scheme, palaimek, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, PMJDY, nwaya ahon theireng boke, officially documents, kansuita kang tikhan, heng hikengin, bank ka emo, business correspondent, BC, bank sakhi na financial inclusion account, FI account po ahon theireng boke, naktuka inom saknan voina isum khol role.